Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Today we're showing you how to do a brick wall. Time we're gonna show you a great wall.
A great wall.
Today we're gonna show you this wall. No.
What?
Today we're going to be showing you how to make a grid wall.
I'm Sarah, and this is Travis. We've moved 7 times in the last 6 years and are currently renovating our 3rd house with our 3 boys and our Old English sheepdog. Follow along as we renovate our house and raise our boys.
Hi, Chucky. No toes.
That's him. Subscribe and join us on our next adventure. Step 1 of building a grid wall we forgot to record. So the first thing you want to do is you want to decide how many boxes you want on the wall and then divide your wall up evenly. Once you divide your wall up, you can figure out how much trim you need. The trim we bought was 2.5 inches wide, I think, and like a 1/2 inch thick. Travis is using wood glue and the finish nailer to secure these boards to the wall. He's using both the wood glue and the finish nailer because most likely all of the nails that he shoots in are not going to go into studs. So it just helps the boards be a little bit more secure. After we divided out our wall and figured out the measurements, Travis made a little spacer board that he used to make sure each of the boards are the correct distance apart.
She done. I need to go get my tool belt. Keep your hands to yourself, Sarah.
I'm bringing them sexy back. Hey!
Put this right here for a quick draw.
All these other players knowing where I'm at.
Overall, this project ended up being under $500 start to finish. So it really was a pretty easy project and really not too expensive.
If you don't wipe off the excess or the extra, then you have to sand it later, and it's kind of a pain.
So what are you guys doing here?
We're just doing wood filler.
Wood filler?
Uh-huh. Is it called wood filler?
Uh-huh. I'm just teaching Sawyer how to do it.
Now can I make it?
You see what I'm doing? I want you to learn before you do it.
I know.
Push it in, then you kind of wipe around, and then you can use another finger to wipe off the extra. That's a lot. That's too much for one hole.
Travis is using a combination of wood filler and caulk to fill in the gaps. You want to use the wood filler on the flat surfaces and the caulk on the corners to get the cleanest look possible.
Hey guys, I just want to show you where I'm at with this right now. I have just finished caulking. That's all wet caulk. And then a day or so ago, I have filled this in with wood putty. Right now I'm gonna sand this and then fill in again anywhere where it's low. And then I'll be ready for paint. So coming together, looking super good. Not a too hard of a project either. This is a great DIY.
Then she'll get to turn.
Oh, sit.
You okay?
Sit. You don't sit on the back, you gotta sit on the middle.
What?
Sit on the middle of it.
And then you keep your socks down on the ground and they'll slide.
Okay. I didn't do that.
Stay. Ready? Wins. Come on, get it!
My turn.
Of your mush dog.
My dog.